Hey guys, this is Piyush Kamitkar. Today I am going to show you how to make paper boat that floats. This is another kind of boat that I teach you today. So let's start. First of all, you need to create cross, means create diagonals. In the square paper, you can take any size of paper. So first of all, take this point up to this point. Means you need to match these points. After this, just unfold this and match this point and this point. If you scratch the edges, it creates darker line. So now just take your paper like this. Now take this point up to the center point. Do it same at here. Now unfold this. Just take this point up to this crease line, means at here. Do this step at both sides. Now just fold this again. After this, just turn your paper around and do same steps at here. Just take this point up to middle line, this point up to middle line, unfold, make folds like this, and then your paper will look like this from both sides. So now just take this line up to the middle line, means just like this. Do same at here. Your paper will look like this. After this, there are hard steps to do. So now let's do that steps. Just take this line up to the middle line, fold the four corners, same as I told. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now scratch these points little bit. After that, just take this line up to the middle line. These are the hard steps. You need to do it very quiet and slowly. Do these steps from all sides. Now your paper will look like this. After that, you need to fold these 2 points up to the middle line. This is the very hard step of the craft. Now you need to do that. Just take this two sides and fold it inwards. Means just like this. Your boat is ready. I hope you enjoy this video. Give the big thumbs up to my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.